use some references to create the characters. As I said, I'm not very used to draw comic characters, so I'm not that confident to draw them from imagination. The Flash really looks amazing. I actually love comic art. I wonder why I never draw some comic characters anyway. If you would like that on my channel, hit the like button and let me know, guys. The background almost killed me, guys. This was the most time consuming part. As the buildings are very big, I had to do many layers to cover the large areas evenly. That's why I'm skipping a lot here. I don't think it's that interesting for you guys to watch me doing 10 layers of grey. By the way, who would win this fight in your opinion? Spidey or the Flash? Comment below. I'm using Copic Cho markers, Arteza Everblend markers, and Ohuhu markers for the coloring. I have a huge color selection by combining all of these different markers. That's why I'm doing it. I also received Ohuhu brush markers recently. I think I will use them for my next tutorial next week. Cannot wait to use them, guys. But we will see that next week. By the way, guys, if you wonder about commissions and how to get one, it's very simple. You just have to contact me on Instagram just like Ediyani did. You can also contact me by emailing me at arttolg@gmail.com. Then you have to tell me your ideas. Maybe you want to be drawn as a saint. Maybe you want your favorite character drawn in a special pose or fighting another character. Whatever you want me to draw, we will discuss that together, and if we then agree on the price, I will start. That's simple, guys, so don't be shy, message me and place your commission right now. So guys, very close. Finishing the lightning with the color pencil and then adding some highlights to the flash to finish up the drawing. By the way, did you know that I created a second YouTube channel which is dedicated to only real-time drawing videos? Yes, it's true, guys. That way you will have an even easier time to follow my steps, better than any tutorial. Make sure to check out my second channel and help me to reach 2000 subscribers. Link in the info box. Alright guys, finally finished with the Flash vs Spider-Man. Man, I really worked over 12 hours on this drawing, all because of the background. It took me so long. But I gotta say, the final result is very good. As this is not my typical art style, I still had an easy time drawing the characters and I also had much fun. Ediyani is very happy with his drawing and that's the most important. But I hope you enjoyed this drawing video as well, guys. If you had a fun time while watching this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It would be great to reach 1000 likes with this video today. Also comment below what you think of this drawing and let me know who you think would win this fight. Spider-Man or the Flash. If you are new on my channel, hit the subscribe button and help me to grow my channel, guys. If you want to get a notification every time I upload a new video, hit the bell icon so you will not miss anything from now. I think we got it all, guys. You can find all the information about anything you want in the info box. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.